Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted photos from iCloud. It's pretty easy. Okay, just go ahead and open up a web browser and go to iCloud.com/photos. All right, again, iCloud.com/photos, hit on enter. Wait for the website to load, and once it loads, make sure to log in with your iCloud account. Now, let's say I'm going to go ahead and delete this photo right here. I'm going to click on it or click on three dots, hit on delete. Delete. Now it's gone. So how do we recover it? So you can go and recover it by going to the left panel. And as you can see here, we have a recently deleted folder. You can just basically click on it and then select a multiple if you want to, or select it one by one. Okay. Recover. Or you can hold left control on your keyboard or CMD key. Select all that you wanted to recover and then just click on recover right here at the top right. Wait for it, and when we go ahead and go back to library, as you can see here we have it. That's just how easy it is to recover deleted photos from iCloud. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.